everyone! Want to speak English confidently at work or school? You're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to have real English conversations, step by step. Whether you're attending meetings, talking with classmates, or asking your teacher or boss for help, clear English makes everything easier. And the best part? You can start speaking better today. Welcome to our free English conversation course, made for beginners and intermediate learners who want real confidence in real situations. First, workplace conversations. Let's start with greetings. Good morning, how are you? Hey, how's your day going? Easy, right? These open the door to stronger relationships with colleagues. Next, asking for help. Try phrases like, could you help me with this? Can you explain the project again? These phrases are polite and effective, even with your boss. At school, speaking English helps your learning and friendships. Try, have you started the homework? Excuse me, could you explain this again? What do you think about this idea? With practice, you'll feel more confident in class and with friends. Want to improve faster? Here are 3 easy tips you can do every day. Practice with a friend. Speak aloud for 5 to 10 minutes. Use new phrases in real conversations. Remember, mistakes are normal. They mean you're learning. If you want more lessons, dialogues, and daily English practice, visit EnglishHumanityUAPD.com right now. It's free, easy, and perfect for beginners. Link is in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with the phrase you want to practice next. Keep practicing, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video.